Your goal depends on who you are at what stage of your life. The same person will have different goals at different times in his life. Different people will have different goals even at the same life stage. Goals naturally evolve over time. Most people have similar goals, and you can adopt the methods most people use for most goals unless you have an extraordinary goal that requires a new approach. Financial planning requires answers to 3 basic questions. Where are you? What is your goal? How will you get there? Once you have a goal, you need to make a realistic plan to achieve the goal. Too hard and you will not likely achieve it. Too easy and you will take too long to reach it. You can also work on multiple goals at the same time. Different goals based on different time periods, immediate goals, long-term goals, and ultimate life goals. Financial goals are basically life goals put into a serious context. To achieve your goals, you'll need lots of effort, many sacrifices, some well-deserved breaks, prudent arrangements, smart allocation of time and money, and constant adjustment. When you start, it is tough, but once you start achieving your goals, it becomes easy.